Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So you can't find Marketplace on your Facebook application, whether it's hidden, disabled or missing. You can access or turn on Facebook Marketplace in just a few steps. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to turn on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what turning on Marketplace means. So turning on Marketplace usually means accessing the Marketplace tab, restoring the Marketplace icon, fixing hidden shortcuts, and ensuring accounts eligibility. Okay, so Marketplace cannot be downloaded separately. So go to App Store or Google Play. Okay, now like this, for example. Tap or type Facebook and tap updates if available. Okay, so latest version ensures Marketplace access. Outdated apps may hide Marketplace. Okay, so open Facebook app now. Okay, tap the menu, the three lines, okay, icon, and scroll and look for Marketplace. You can pin it for easier access, so it appears as a storefront icon. Okay, so add Marketplace shortcuts. If icon is missing, go to menu, tab setting, privacy, tab settings, and open shortcuts, find Marketplace and set it to pin. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.